When I stare into the camera, I feel like I'm staring into your soul. And I know that's not true, but I just, yeah, well, anyone's soul. I'm Maddy Rydz with Weber, and today we're going to be doing a chicken and veggie skewer with rice in under 20 minutes. So the key is with skewers, you want to make sure everything is the same size so it cooks evenly and consistently. So that's what we're doing. And look at that. The power of television. Done with that. All right, so with these chicken skewers, I actually marinated them in a pre-made Greek salad dressing. Super easy, super simple, and it's already pre-made for you. So with skewering chicken, I wanted to make sure I dice them all the same way, so that way when I go to the grill, they're gonna cook evenly and consistently. Look at that, skewering done. I need to wash my hands. I'm making it a nice coat of oil to make sure it doesn't stick to the grates. I got my salt and my pepper. And you can add any seasoning you like. I like to keep it basic with salt and pepper. Same with the chicken. Again, the marinade helps with the oil. I'm just gonna give it a nice little coat and hit it with salt and pepper. Let's make sure we get all sides of our skewers. So now that we're ready, we can head to the grill. So I got my grill preheated. We want to be between 475 and 500 for those nice sear marks. And because we cut everything the same way, the chicken skewers and the veggie skewers are all going to cook at the same time. Awesome. So I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes, and I'll set another timer for 5 minutes, and we'll check our temp. 165, stay alive. That was a Jason call out, by the way. That's my timer. Start flipping. I'm just flipping the skewers. I want to make sure I get a char on both sides. And then I'm gonna go to my chicken skewers and flip those as well. Oh, see, they're sticking a little, which means they're not quite ready to flip. So I'm gonna set another timer for about 30 seconds. Let's check those chicken. So much better. A little bit of that pull, that's okay. You never want to pull your chicken. That's how you know when it's ready to flip, if it comes off nice and easy. See those stragglers? We don't want those stragglers.
You're not supposed to pull it, eh?
Look at those grill marks.
Now what?
Beautiful. Now we set another timer for 5 minutes, and we're gonna temp them after the 5 minutes. But you know what I want to do? I want to add lemon for my rice. So I am gonna set a timer for 3 minutes. I'm gonna add my lemons. 10 seconds. I'm ready to add my lemons.
Hasn't gone off yet.
3, 2, 1. That was good. All right. I'm just looking for a nice char on those lemons.
What are you setting it to?
2 minutes. That's my timer. Everything should be ready to come off the grill. I'm gonna hit my chicken breast one more time with some leftover Greek dressing that I saved. All right, now we can take these off the grill. This is gonna be for our rice. All right. We temped our chicken. Our veggies look beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so now we got our rice. We are going to squeeze our charred lemon right on top of that. Beautiful. We'll get those seeds right out of there because no one wants to eat that. Okay.
Could use the string.
Here. Let me hold the camera. Wow, beautiful. Top it with some greenery. And now our rice is ready. Now we eat. Super easy, super quick, chicken and veggie skewers for the whole family in under 20 minutes. Check out the recipe and shoppable link below. Catch you next time. Bam! Was that it? You want me to redo it, don't you?
No.
Oh!